Julius Ondijo mabende ong'ere kaka Majimaji, jathum mabende nowero an buogebo, owacho ni pod en ng'welaro kom kar chung' od bura ma Seme kinde nominations mag ODM. Ondijo nyiso johera mage kik yie kod weche maliekore ni nominations mag kom jaod bura ok bi bedo Seme kono ero chieng' tich ariyo mar juma manyien. Owacho ni ODM pok owacho ler ni gibiro chiwo tiko manyalodia ne jaod bura ma Seme matiyo gi sani eri migosi James Nyikal. Bende owacho ni Nyikal ma bende osetiyo terms ariyo koro to onego wene thuolo otel ne oganda jo Seme ka okwayo ODM bende obi ochiwne thuolo otel ne jo Seme kaluwore ni en pod en rawera. Oloso e kinde mabende oganda ma Seme kono ero ne ng'anyo e weche mabende liekore ni otiko manyalodia to osemi migosi James Nyikala.
There's I don't know whether it is an allegation or the truth that there's a letter. There's a letter circulating from the ODM office that in Seme there'll be no nominations going on. It is not a good thing in democracy, but they have such processes. It's one of the way they can do their nominations as well, so I won't object as much. But the good thing is that the letter has not mentioned who has been given the direct certificate or direct nomination. So I'm very hopeful that my party, ODM, I'm very hopeful that my party leader, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, the 5th president, they will sit and look at who should be given that certificate. So I'm saying this because the letter did not mention who has been given the certificate. So because I'm an aspirant, I want to believe I am one of them. And amongst all aspirants that are vying, I think I should be given the certificate. So I'm hopeful. I don't want to chase my luck away and saying that I don't have the certificate. So I want to believe that ODM will look at one, age, experience, etc. So by representation, the incumbent has already done 2 terms. He's 74-year-old. I don't think Seme lacks any other person who can work for Seme and lead Seme. And I want to believe that their choice will be based on ODM prosperity and political development. Now that puts Dr. Nyikal out of the equation or consensus. I want to believe that they want to look at the complicated electoral process now, where the young people should be involved and engaged to bring a victory or to be mentored for the future. Now that puts Dr. Nyikal out in terms of consensus. So I don't want to give the devil power and say somebody has been given the certificate. I hope I am the one